Summer is winding down, but that doesn't mean opportunities to sell your home or condo are gone. We were talking to real estate expert Brian Garrity, Big Daddy, in our corner this morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Great to see you.
No, good to see you too.
First of all, I want to talk about this amazing radio show on ESPN, 1 o'clock on Wednesdays. How's it going? You enjoying it?
It's fantastic.
An hour. Is that enough time, though?
You know how chatty I am. Are you kidding?
I
An hour.
know.
Actually, the hour is the right time. By the end of the hour, I'm like, but it's a lot of fun, and it is designed around real estate. However, it's really going to be like a San Diego lifestyle show, so we're getting local celebrities, such as yourself, who we'd like to have on.
I'm so
and
excited.
Ruben, and I mean, just the last couple of shows have been hilarious and pretty outrageous.
So we're going to be on the 5th, right?
Yes, September 5th.
Very excited. Okay, ESPN Radio, 1700 AM. What a great thing. We're so excited
You guys
about
are
that.
going to have fun. Wait till you hear.
There will be a lot of laughing.
We don't hold back on that one.
Okay, so let's talk about 7 summer selling mistakes that you do not want to make. A lot of people think when summer wraps up that maybe it may not be a good time to sell, but not necessarily true, right?
No, correct. In fact, if anything, right now inventory is low. So with this summer wrapping up, continue on. If you're in selling mode, don't stop. Don't make the mistakes that people do. Don't end your marketing too early. Number one. People will start wrapping up their marketing. They'll stop doing what they're doing and start to get lazy about it. Like, oh, my kids are going back to school. Oh, I've got to do this. I've got to do that. No, leave the marketing a primary focus and don't stop. That's key number one on this.
That is, because maybe other people will stop. You keep going. That's a good thing.
You got to keep going. And then we have, what else? We have don't blow off showing times. This is really happens. It's happening a lot more. If you're going to sell your house, you have to show your house. So if you want to say, I'm going to show my house only between the hours of 10 and 12 on Wednesdays, the likelihood of you moving your house as quickly as maybe your neighbor who has open showing times is going to be a lot less.
Okay.
So it's an important one, you know, because we have a lot of problems with that, with the showing times.
Well, hey, if you need help buying or selling, you know who to call, Brian Garrity.
And then don't compromise your client's privacy. This is more for the real estate agent. If they're going out of town or what have you, make sure that you don't let newspapers accumulate, etc. And you continue to do the showings, but you don't need to say on MLS or anywhere else, client is out of town, show anytime, etc.
Okay.
So those are just little things so that people will know, and the 7 tips are up on the screen.
Yeah, don't leave out the lender.
Don't leave out the lender. The lender should be in the beginning.
Right, that's one of the first steps.
Like if you're at the end here worried about the lender, you've got problems. You got to make sure, because lending is rough right now. So you got to make sure you're getting your pre-qualifications done, keeping your pre-qualifications current. Sometimes it takes 4 to 6 months to find a place.
I know.
So you want to make sure that those things don't change.
And don't procrastinate, too. Don't wait to the last minute.
Don't wait till the last minute. So many people do. And keep your house clean. Keep it like decluttered as much as possible. It's weird. As we go into the end of the summer and the kids are going back to school, I notice all of a sudden the house has become like, everything's exploded.
Yeah.
You know, put those backpacks away. If your kids are going to be doing their homework and stuff, have them do it in their room, have them do it neatly. Don't have things all over the place. Plan that showing time accordingly. It's key. Market is moving. Inventory is low. These tips that we've given you that are on screen, they're helpful. Some apply to agents only, but in the big picture, we want you to sell your house and get top dollar.
Well, hey, you're a great person to get in contact with if you want to buy or sell and you have a great property we want to tell our viewers about, a downtown condo.
Yes, it's a good one. And it's in the Trejo building, and it's a gorgeous condo. The sellers are wonderful people. I mean, I say that about anyone, but these people genuinely are just the nicest people you could ever meet, and
they're clean.
Are a prime example of immaculate. The missus here, she takes care of her house top to bottom. You walk in that house any time of day, I don't need to worry about it. If I get a last minute showing, I know that somebody can go into that house and it's going to be picture perfect, model perfect.
Isn't that nice for you?
It's wonderful. And I wish we could get that with everybody. And I understand when people have kids and stuff, they can be, you know, messy, but you've got to stay on top of it. The messier the
Yeah.
house, the more it's going to impact your value. I cannot emphasize it enough.
Especially
So-
showing the house. You think you would clean it up a little bit. Well, there's Brian Garrity's
My
phone
info.
number and info on the screen there. Get in touch with him if you're looking to buy or sell. And thank you so much for coming.
Are you kidding?
I
love it.
can't
September
wait.
5th is going to be fun.
I
Do you
am
wa-
so excited.
Do you watch reality TV?
Yeah.
So we'll talk. Well, you're gonna see. It's gonna be
Regrettably,
fun.
Real
No,
Housewives.
yeah, okay, perfect. Stay with that. Stay with that.
Okay.
It's gonna be a really good show. We're gonna have a lot of fun.
I can't wait.
And we're gonna talk all about the local celebrity that you are, and Ruben, and
Oh, gosh.
CW, and channels. It's gonna be a good program.
Great. I'm so excited. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for
Thanks.
coming.
Okay,
And
take
for
care.
more information, head to san diego6.com and just click on San Diego Living.